Hi friends. When I started with my business, I was immediately looking for a payment gateway which allowed me to raise invoice, track it without having my website immediately. And Stripe really came to my help. It allowed me to raise an invoice through an email and then collect the payment, track its status, as well as when the payment is getting done to me. So in today's video, I will take you through how to set up a Stripe account and how to raise an invoice to the customer, which goes in form of email to the customer and he can do the payment for the product or service what you're offering. But before that, if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and press the like button as well as subscription button, as I keep bringing such informative videos which matter to you. And I also share my experience here in Canada as a new permanent resident. I hope by now you have subscribed to my channel. So let's get to my computer screen. Okay, first and foremost, go to stripe.com. So click here, then sign in. Here, once you come down, you don't have an account, sign up, click here. You have to enter your email, full name and country. So if you have any confusion, just go here and it explains what needs to be done. Select the country or region where your business is incorporated. So in my case, it's in Canada, so I choose Canada. And then password. Remember here that the password here has to be at least 10 character. Usually if you log into any of the website, 6 to 8 character does the work. Here it is 10 character. So type your password. Okay, nice work. Your password is good. So I am good. Get email for Stripe about product update. I have not chosen. It is up to you. If you want to choose, then you go and create account. After this, the email address has to be verified. So I have to go and click on verify email address. Now once that is done, I enter the password and then continue. So this is your Stripe account page. Now here you can go and edit and give the name of the business. Say for today's purpose, I am writing Stripe is easy. Add name. Let's go to customers. Here I will add the customer first. So for every customer, say we are sending a direct invoice. We don't have a website where the customer is coming and doing the payment. We are creating the invoice here on Stripe, and this invoice will go to customer's email ID where through a secured link they can do the payment. Enter the customer name, the email ID, and then you can have the description. Say project consultation. Okay, now this is done. Billing email, same as account email. Billing detail. So I usually enter the customer country. Say if the customer is in Germany, I enter Germany and then I mention the detail. Shipping detail, I keep it same as billing detail. If it is a product, then you will have to fill in accordingly. Time zone, language, currency. Currency, I keep it as Canadian dollar. Now when it comes to invoice prefix, you can give anything. When you click here, it shows the invoice number for all future invoices for this customer will begin with this prefix. So I type this, the invoice sequence starts with 1, more details you can find here. Okay, and then tax status, if it is taxable, choose taxable. If it is exempt, choose exempt. If it is reverse charge, choose reverse charge. So based on whatever the option is, choose that. And if you have a tax ID, enter those tax ID detail and then add customer. So the customer is set. Okay, now once the customer is set, I want to send invoice to this customer. All I need to do is I have to click onto invoice, for which I click here, create invoice, and here on this find tab, I find the customer detail. I select that. Once that is selected and I come down, here I can give the name for the product. Say project consultancy. Okay. Now this is done. Quantity. Price is whatever you want to charge customer. Say I'm charging $200 with the customer. So I enter this. And then if there is any coupon to be added, you can click here and you can give that option. If you're adding taxes, then you add this taxes. And now here on the memo, you can type anything you want. Say you want to thank the customer, or you want to give an insight of what this consultancy would be. So you can use that remarks out here in the thanks for the business. Okay. Now once we come down on the payment method, say you want to automatically charge the payment method, then you can go and click and add the card detail of customer, email invoice to customer to pay manually. Now you can give the payment due date also. Say you want them to pay within 3 days, type that. Now once I come down, payment method, once I click here, manage credit card or debit card, it at credit card or debit card only. And then once you come down, again, I don't use this advanced option. If you want to use this, you can create any customizable invoice field, and then you can add those details. And the invoice is ready. All I need to do is send the invoice. On this page, send invoice, whom this is getting sent to, then invoice for Stripe is easy. The invoice number, you can download this as a PDF for you to see how it looks. Amount is given. Once I scroll down, due date, since I had selected 3 days later, it shows me the due date, whom it is billed to, and then just send the invoice. And then when I go to the invoice, it shows the invoice detail. Right now it shows as draft, as I have not activated the account. Once I enter the business account, it will start showing me that it is in progress and customer need to pay this money. So that's it. So friends, you saw how easy this payment gateway is. It allows you to track every transaction what you're doing, and that's a real winner. If you like today's video, please go ahead and press the like button. Do comment and let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to share with your friends who are looking for a immediate solution in absence of a website. Thanks for watching Canada Tried and Tested.